Hi everyone, so today you will learn how to reverse a number in JavaScript. By the end of the video, you will have this sort of output. You can see I got a button here and a number. The moment when I will click on this button reverse, this number will be reversed. So this is what we are going to build in this tutorial. So let's get started. Let's create an index file here, index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure, link to the style sheet, also a script file at the bottom, which is script.js. We need two elements here. The first element is button, text will be reversed, and a h2 element to display the number. Initially it will be empty, we'll populate it using the JavaScript. Just save it. Now create a style sheet here, style.css. Select the button element. Display will be block. Margin will be 0 and auto. Border will be none. Border radius will be around 20 pixels. Color will be white. Background color will be green. Font weight will be bold. Padding will be 10 pixel and 30 pixel. Select h2 element. Margin top will be 10 pixels. Text line will be center. Save it. Let's create a script file here, script.js. Select the button element as well as the h2 element. So let's make it btn reverse. Because we are going to display a number in the h2 element, I'll give it a name num element. Let's create a variable here. It will be a number. Now because I want to display the number in the h2 element, I'll make use of load event listener on the window object. So as soon as the window is loaded, I want to display the number in the h2 element. So num element dot inner text will be equal to num. Just save it and open this file in the browser. So this is the output. Now let's work on the button element. Let's add a click event listener to the button. This will be the handler function. So upon click, we'll call a function reverse number, and whatever the value it will return, we'll display that in the h2 element. Copy this piece of code and paste it here. And let's call a function reverse number. I will pass the number like this. Let's create this function here. Now reversing a number is a step-by-step process. First of all, you need to convert a number into a string. So let's do it. We'll call the toString method and store the result in the result variable. The next step is to convert that string into an array. For that, we'll utilize the split method and pass an empty string. The next step is to reverse that array. So we'll call reverse method like this. The next step is to join that array to form a string. For that, we'll call the join method like this. The last step is to convert that string into a number. For that, we'll utilize the number object and pass the result like this, and we'll simply return it. That's all what you have to do. Now just save it and go to the browser. Click on this reverse button, and that's the output. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.